Life didn't end you. It broke you for a reason. Now it's time to rebuild yourself. Hello everyone, welcome back. This message is for anyone who feels lost, broken, or disconnected from who they once were. If life has knocked you down and forced you to start over, this speech will help you rebuild yourself, stronger, wiser, and unstoppable. Rebuild yourself. There comes a moment in life when everything changes. The future you imagined no longer feels possible. Your old habits no longer work. Your old identity no longer fits. That moment is painful, but it is also powerful. Because rebuilding yourself means you get to choose who you become next. 1. Accept that the old version of you is gone. Rebuilding begins with acceptance. You cannot rebuild while clinging to who you used to be. The mindset, habits, and choices that brought you here cannot take you forward. Let go without guilt. The old version of you did what they could with what they knew. But this new chapter demands higher standards, deeper awareness, and stronger discipline. 2. Pain is the foundation of growth. Pain is not your enemy. Pain forces reflection. Pain demands change. Pain shapes strength. Every strong person has a story that hurt to live through. If you are hurting right now, understand this: life is not destroying you, it is reshaping you. 3. Take full responsibility for your life. Rebuilding requires ownership. No more blaming circumstances, people, or the past. Responsibility is power. The moment you say, "This is my life, and I will fix it," everything changes. You may not be responsible for what happened, but you are responsible for what happens next. 4. Rebuild your mind before anything else. Your mind is the control center. If your thoughts are weak, your actions will be weak. You must challenge negative self-talk, self-doubt, and fear. Speak strength into yourself even when you don't feel it. The mind believes what it hears repeatedly. 5. Discipline is the blueprint for a new you. Motivation fades. Discipline stays. Rebuilding requires structure, daily routines, controlled habits, and consistency. Wake up earlier. Train your body. Protect your focus. Discipline turns chaos into control and weakness into strength. 6. Remove what no longer serves you. You cannot rebuild in the same environment that broke you. That means letting go of toxic habits, draining relationships, and distractions that steal your energy. This will be uncomfortable, but growth demands separation. Not everyone can go with you to the next level. 7. Build in silence. Rebuilding is not loud. Stop announcing plans. Stop seeking validation. Work quietly. Improve daily. Let results speak for you. Silence keeps you focused and protects your energy while you rebuild. 8. Learn to stand alone. Solitude builds strength. Being alone teaches you discipline, clarity, and self-respect. You learn who you are without noise, opinions, or approval. If you can stand alone without breaking, you become unshakable. 9. Turn your pain into purpose. Your struggle has meaning. One day, your story will give someone else hope. What tried to destroy you will become proof of your strength, but only if you rise. Don't waste the pain. Transform it. 10. Become unrecognizable. Rebuild until the old version of you is gone. Stronger mindset. Stronger habits. Higher standards. Not for revenge. Not for validation. But for self-respect. Rebuilding yourself is not easy. But staying broken is harder. Take it one day at a time. Stay disciplined when it's difficult. Stay patient when progress feels slow. One day, you'll look back and realize everything that tried to destroy you built you. If this message helped you, like the video, subscribe to the channel, comment rebuild if you're starting over, and share this with someone who needs this message today. Stay strong. Stay disciplined. And keep rebuilding yourself.